Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to place orders in Thinkorswim. First, open the Trade tab and select the desired asset. You will see the order entry tools on the right side of your screen. Choose your order type, such as market, limit, or stop. Then, specify the quantity of shares or contracts you wish to trade. This process ensures you can efficiently execute your trading strategies. Understanding various order types is crucial for effective trading. A market order is the simplest, executing at the current best price. Limit orders give you control, letting you specify the maximum price you'll pay to buy or the minimum you'll accept to sell. Stop orders are excellent for risk management, activating once a certain price threshold is crossed. Each type serves a distinct purpose in your trading strategy. Once you've selected an order type, you can customize it further. Adjust the quantity of shares or contracts and fine-tune your limit or stop price. The time and force setting determines how long your order remains active, with options like day or good till canceled. You can also add advanced conditions, such as one cancels the other orders, to manage multiple positions simultaneously. These features provide flexibility for your trades. Before submitting any order, always take a moment to thoroughly review all the details. Double-check the asset, quantity, order type, and price to ensure everything is correct. This final verification step helps prevent costly errors. Once you are confident, click the Confirm and Send button to place your trade. For more trading tips and other great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below. It's a great way to enhance your home setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.